Pitter, patter. Rain began to fall on the little garden. The 5 friends peeked out from under a big green leaf. Chirpy, the brave yellow bird, popped open a big umbrella. "Come on, friends. Let's go out and play." Down came the rain, drip, drop, drip, filling up little puddles all around the flowers. Splash! Silly Kiwi, the green bird, jumped right into the biggest puddle. Splish, splash, splish. What fun! Rosie, the sweet pink bird, found a big flower to keep her dry. She watched the raindrops sparkle on the petals. The rain made little streams that wiggled and rippled across the garden path. Bluebell, the calm blue bird, didn't mind the rain at all. She listened by the pond. Pitter, patter, so peaceful. The friends huddled close together, cozy and warm. Rain is much nicer with friends. And Sleepy Plum, the purple bird, found a big mushroom to nap under. Yawn, nice and dry. Then the rain stopped, and up came a beautiful rainbow. Oh, look at all the colors! Out came the sun, and the happy friends splashed in the puddles together. What a lovely rainy day! Goodbye, friends. See you soon.